Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting XML files to Markdown tables. You can see on my computer I have a state XML. I can right-click, open it with Internet Explorer. Just to show you what is inside of this XML file, it contains information for US states, like state name, state code, region, subregion, for example, like Alaska, and then Arizona, the same state name, and for all states. So basically it's a large XML, and I will convert this XML into Markdown table and post a table on GitHub and show you what will it look like. So I will do it with my app. To download the app, I will go to my website. This is my website. I will link on the site in the description. To find app, I will click on search and type Markdown. And I need this export to Markdown, and I need to scroll to Markdown, XML to Markdown, this one, and click on the download button to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on Markdown converters and XML converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We'll wait a second when archive loaded. Archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive. And when it opens, I will double click on MSI inside archive and click more info on this screen. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On step 1 we will select our XML file, or we can select multiple in XML file if you want to have everything into one Markdown file. But for these purposes I will click to select input file, navigate to my states XML. I need this one. It's in my documents. I can change folder if it's a different folder, but it's in my documents, so I will click open, click on next. There are no conversions options here yet. If you think of any conversions option, please let me know. I will add them to the next version of the app. Right now, just click on next step, and here I can preview my table, or I can save result. You can see it has all Markdown in it, so I can save. Let's call it XML to Markdown table. This name is location is okay. Click save. And now let's open GitHub and just github.com. I have a project in here. Let's quickly open. Oh, this readme test page is fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this file we just converted. This one. Double click, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and just paste it here, Ctrl V, and commit changes. And you can see it nicely converted. Name of the columns is like record and subrecord in case it's more like structures. It's trying to flatten XML into different into table. This is why it is. I can change them if I want to. For example, I can go and change this one record to the state name. It's fine. Just commit. And you can see everything converted good. We have all our information here, and we converted our XML to Markdown table. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. I can also run, I forgot to mention, I can also run this app from command line. For example, if I want to convert all XML files into folder into one or many Markdown files, I can do that from command line. I will add to website to page I showed you previously how to run this application from command line. So if I want to schedule it, or if I want to run like convert all files into folder, I can do. So if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.